Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Leave granted. Stop. The only question raised in this appeal is whether the High Court of Delhi acted within the framework of law in exercising power available under Section 433C of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. Stop. Factual position giving rise to the appeal is as follows. Para. Respondent was prosecuted for alleged commission of offence punishable under Section 7 and Section 13 1D, punishable in terms of Section 13 within bracket 2 of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988. Stop. The respondent was found guilty by Additional Sessions Judge Delhi and was sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 2 years relating to offence under Section 7 with fine of rupees 500. Stop. He was further sentenced under Section 13 within bracket 2 to undergo imprisonment for 3.5 years with fine of rupees 1000. Stop. Both the sentences were directed to run concurrently. Stop. The matter was carried in appeal by the respondent accused before the High Court. Stop. The order of conviction was not challenged at the time of hearing. Stop. What was pressed before the High Court related to the quantum of sentence. Stop. It was submitted that the appellant had faced ordeal of trial for 11 years and was on the verge of retirement as his date of superannuation was to be in March 2002. Stop. He was not a previous convict and the ends of justice would be met if sentence of fine is enhanced in order to commute the sentence of imprisonment and consequentially recommend to the government to consider the case under Section 433 of the Code. Stop. High Court noted that there was no serious opposition by the investigating agency, the Central Bureau of Investigation, for a recommendation. Para. The learned single judge who heard the criminal appeal felt that no useful purpose would be served in requiring the appellant to undergo sentence at the belated stage, and it would be appropriate if fine is enhanced to rupees 15,000 in commutation of sentence of imprisonment. Stop. He further directed that the case of the accused was to be considered and regularized in accordance with Section 433C of the Code. Stop. A further direction was given that on the deposit of rupees 15,000 as fine in commutation of sentence of imprisonment within a stipulated period and intimation of deposit being given to the appropriate government, the state government may formalize the matter by passing an appropriate order under Section 433 of the Code. Stop. The sentence of imprisonment was directed to be suspended on furnishing personal bond and furnishing surety to the satisfaction of the trial court. Stop. Para. In support of the appeal, the state government of NCT of Delhi submitted that the power of commutation is not available to a court and it is the exclusive domain of the executive. Stop. It was therefore submitted that the course adopted by the High Court is unsustainable. Para. Learned counsel for the respondent accused submitted that on the peculiar facts of this case, no interference is called for. Stop. Though strictly speaking, the High Court had no power of commutation, yet direction was given to the state government to formalize the order of commutation on deposit of the enhanced fine, and same cannot be Learned counsel for the respondent accused submitted that on the peculiar facts of this case, no interference is called for. Stop. Though, strictly speaking, the High Court had no power of commutation, yet direction was given to the state government to formalize the order of commutation on deposit of the enhanced fine, and same cannot be faulted. Stop. Section 432 of the code corresponds to and reproduces almost word for word section 401 and subsection 3 of section 402 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1889. Stop.